Come on down, traders. You're the next contestant on The Price is Right Small Account Edition. Today's Showcase Showdown features ELBM, a low float stock with news, short interest, and a golden shot at key daily levels. The big question is $1.25 the right price to enter, or is the market bluffing? Stick with me because I'll reveal how I turned my small account reset working capital into a $1,750 win in just 10 minutes. All right, traders, you know the drill. A quick intro, and then we'll jump right into today's ELBM chart. This is the Small Account Truck Challenge, turning $500 into a brand new truck. One predictive trade at a time. I'm Susie, and I'm showing you how volume and institutional levels can guide smarter trades. Remember, this is for educational use only. It is not financial advice. So let's roll into today's chart. Today is September 26, 2025. My small account reset capital available in play today was $6,630. The ticker, ELBM. This alert hit our Discord at 6:59 a.m. Mountain Time. ELBM was checking all the boxes: low float, fresh news, small short interest, and most importantly, room to my Discord institutional level at $1.46. Price had already reclaimed all of the EMAs and was holding the 9 EMA tight, and volume was building as it tested that $1.15 pre-market resistance level. Now here's where the Price is Right comes in. I wanted a perfect $1.18 bid. That was the pre-market resistance turned to support. But like a lot of contestants, I got caught up in the excitement and I chased a little bit. I filled at $1.25, risking just 7 cents per share for a shot at 21 cents or more. That's a classic asymmetric compounding trade. Risk small, aim big. What happened next? Boom! The breakout candle pushed to $1.46 and stair-stepping continuation all the way to that $1.60 institutional level. But here's the key detail. The high at 160 printed on lower buyer volume, and that was my cue. The tug of war was real. Buyers weren't pressing, and so I planned my exit at $1.58 as price was hovering in that area for several minutes. A 10-minute trade paid me $1,750 profit. That's a 26% gain. Most traders would have been chasing that breakout blindly, cheering like an audience, waving signs. But breakouts don't pay you unless you know exactly where the real levels are. Rookie cocktail indicators like VWAP or MACD, they won't tell you that. They lag, they're very late, both on the entry and the exit, and they frustrate with multiple false signals. These Discord institutional levels, they are predictive. They're solid, they don't move, they don't repaint, and they're always pre-mapped for us. They tell the story before the crowd even sees it. A lot of you watching know that sick feeling of chasing a breakout and getting dumped on. Here's the reframe. That wasn't failure on your part. That was the market teaching you to wait for proof at the real levels. So instead of beating yourself up, I want you to start asking yourself one question before every single trade. Where are the buyers actually proving that they will defend? That one shift alone can start healing your trading. So what key takeaways can we learn from today's Price is Right trade? Asymmetric reset. I started a week ago by resetting my working capital, not the entire truck fund, but the amount of capital that I am willing to leverage each day. I reset that back to $500 in order to help control my share size. Today's working capital was $6,630, and that's all thanks to compounding forward. My risk was just 7 cents, my reward 21 cents and above. That's a 3-to-1 minimum ratio. Volume tells all. Highs on lower volume, that's your cue to plan an exit. Did you know The Price is Right actually teaches you about trading? The right price isn't the hype number everyone's shouting. It's the quiet number where buyers are really willing to pay up. Trading is just a smarter game show. Now for the scoreboard moment. Today's starting truck fund balance was $92,595.04. Add in today's $1,750 profit and we're lighting it up. to $94,345.36. Every trade is one more step closer to that $150,000 truck goal. We're already 63% of the way toward that goal. If you got value from this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and click that bell notification icon so that you don't miss future uploads. Every video that I upload is jam-packed with education that you won't find anywhere else. And most of all, remember, during this truck challenge, my mentoring program is at a special discounted rate, but it's only going to last through the end of this challenge. So don't miss the perfect time to join us. So guys, if you're serious about leveling up your trading game and achieving a 95% win rate, join us today at MomentumStockTraders.com. Here's what you get when you join, and it's everything I'm using every single day in each of my trades. You get live trade guidance, and I walk you through every single trade every single day. You get our custom scanners and charting tools, the same ones I use to spot the setups before they make that big move. You get access to our amazing private Discord channel, and this is where the action happens. You get AI-assisted alerts so that you're never left guessing when things are heating up. You get those key institutional levels, not the retail stuff. These are real levels where the institutions position their trades, and you'll get full breakdowns of each trade at the end of every day so that you can actually learn why a trade worked. But best of all, you're going to get real-time one-on-one mentoring from me personally and be a part of a fantastic community of really serious day traders. So who is this for? This is for any trader who is serious about leveling up their game. It's for struggling traders who've been struggling with profits that are too small and losses that are too big, or struggling with inconsistency in their win rate. So if that's you, this is the place for you, because this program solves all of those struggles. This is not a copy my trades service. It's real education. It's real trade guidance. It's a real platform to help you grow your skills and your edge. And guys, here's a brutal fact. If you're copy trading, you're just reacting to somebody else's click. That's emotional trading. That's not a strategy. You're already late for the game. What's our edge? Insider chart reading skills that actually fuels the action, not reaction. Our edge is profit, not panic. Our community inside is crushing it every single day. So if you're ready to stop second-guessing yourself and start trading with clarity, join us at MomentumStockTraders.com right now. And thanks so much for hanging out with me for a few minutes today. I hope you found this video helpful. And remember, trade smart, trade patient, and trade focused. And let's grow those small accounts together. And I'll see you in the next video.